This is Shelley Kraft coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the Planet MicroCap Showcase 2018 here in Las Vegas. I have with me Dave Shworan from QuoteMedia. It's a publicly traded company. The symbol is QMCI on the OTCQB. Dave, welcome to SNNLive.
Thank you, Shelley. It's nice to be here.
Let's get started with an overview of the company and we'll go from there.
Okay. QuoteMedia is a stock market information provider, so we aggregate market data from around the world and provide it back to clients that are looking for it, companies, research firms, banks, brokerage firms, companies like that, financial industry.
Let's get a brief history of the company.
Well, the company was founded probably about 17 years ago, started from scratch, built it up, aggregating data, slowly building applications, building the data feeds that people were looking for, meeting with lots and lots of clients to figure out what people are wanting, and establishing ourselves in the marketplace and building the name. And people don't realize it does take a long time to build a name in the financial marketplace. It's not like a company is going to come to you when you just start and trust you. So you have to be proven and you have to get some good clientele, and now we're doing very well.
What's the size of the market, Dave?
Oh, it's a multi-billion-dollar market. There's some very, very big players, obviously, in the marketplace, and we're young and newer and more innovative, I think, and we're having some fun. But yeah, I mean, we're just chewing away at market share. Yeah.
Who is some of your competition?
Oh, we've got competition in different areas. QuoteMedia is a very broad product-based company, so we have data feeds, we've got content solutions for the web, we've got applications, we've got QuoteStream Professional application, we've got mobile applications. So there's not a lot of competitors that are as broad as we are. There are competitors, obviously there's the big players like the Bloombergs and the Thomson Reuters and guys like that. And then there's some smaller players that are in like those smaller individual niches. But we're really at the table now, and we're invited to the table with big firms.
What's your background, dude?
My background is tech, so very computer-oriented. I built up a couple of very large companies that were internet-based in the hosting and web tools and that type of environment, and then jumped into the QuoteMedia technical space. And when I started meeting with firms, I started to figure out that this is what I wanted to do, and I could hear what they wanted and what they were missing in the market and what they were not getting from these big providers that we could provide. And very quickly, we started making what they wanted.
Dave, with what you can tell me, what are some growth drivers for the company?
Well, I guess one of the most interesting ones is we've cleaned up our balance sheet. So we've eliminated $12 million of debt. We are now profitable, debt-free, and growing every quarter, and things are looking really good, as well as obviously new products. We're always coming out with new products, new data, listening to our customers, and just following what people are wanting.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's get a website for more information if you would.
QuoteMedia.com.
Dave Shworan, QuoteMedia, publicly traded company. The symbol is QMCI on the OTCQB. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNNLive, and we're coming to you live from the Planet MicroCap Showcase 2018 right here in Las Vegas. Dave, pleasure.
It's a pleasure. Thank you, sir.
You got it.